get down. I need a man, a man, a man, a man, a man, a blues explosion man. Thank you. Well, I got something to tell you. Turn your radio up and come a little closer. Oh. Jon Spencer Blues Explosion with Blues Explosion for the BBC. I'm Mark Riley, and that is getting